Welcome to Microsoft in Israel.
I'm dreaming wide awake.
From research and development to sales and marketing, our teams deliver devices and services that help people make the most of any moment.
To make me feel this.
Israel is the most entrepreneurial country in the world, with over 5,000 technology companies and the highest average venture capital deal size per capita. It is a hub of innovation, with top-notch computer science academic institutes and revolutionary technologies.
Oh yeah.
Since 1991, Microsoft has operated a strategic global research and development center that employs hundreds of engineers, leads strategic investments, and has become a technology leader in high-growth domains and cutting-edge research. Microsoft empowers tens of thousands of people in Israel, working together with entrepreneurs, students, researchers, and partners to advance the local high-tech industry through various programs such as the Microsoft Accelerator, cooperation with the academia, BizSpark, and DreamSpark.
Oh yeah. We shine.
Microsoft is a place for innovators, problem solvers, and creative thinkers. It provides numerous career opportunities to students, graduates, and experienced professionals. Every day brings excitement, challenges, teamwork, and fun.
We shine like stars.
Together, our work impacts users' lives in Israel and across the globe.
Yeah.
Together, we help people make the most of any moment.